Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check your email on Binance. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap the profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. Next, tap on your nickname at the top of the menu to open your account information. Here, look for registration information. Right next to it, you'll see your email address, but it's hidden with asterisk for security. To reveal it, simply tap the button next to those hidden characters, and your full email address will appear. And that's it. You've successfully checked the email link to your Binance account. Remember, keeping track of this information is important for your account security and for receiving updates from Binance. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.